How to resize logo on Weebly. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to resize logo on Weebly. So let's get into it. You will open up weebly.com/editor, and this is the website that I'm editing. You can see, first of all, I will just turn on my logo. So this is the logo that I have added, and I'll show you how to resize it. On your website, just click on the logo and click on edit. Edit will allow you to resize the logo. Okay, here we are. So I can add some filters, adjust the color and everything, text, focus, and then we have crop. So I'm going to click on crop option, and this is where we can resize our logo. You can see this is the size right now, but I can make it smaller and I can adjust the size and place it wherever I want it to be. I'm just going to place this in the center, and then we can just like resize it. We can also change the alignment. We can rotate our logo as well. We can select square, 4:3, 16:9. We have all of the resize option here. So I'm just going to select this size. Once done, you can just go back, click on save, and your logo will be resized. You can see now it's smaller. This is how you can resize the logo by just clicking on the edit option. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.